let's talk about very interesting topic, 3D trigonometry. Trust me, this topic is very interesting and definitely a tricky one. It is definitely a tricky one. So please pay attention. Please listen to me very carefully and implement the whole topic. Okay. So let us talk about it. Here, for example, this sum. Shown is a cube with side length 5 centimeters. We know that cube has got all the sides equal. So first thing, we should put this thing in our head that all the sides are equal in a cube. Calculate angle CAG. Okay, so you have to calculate angle CAG over here. So we will be drawing this line out here. Right? We will be drawing the line out here. Now we have to calculate angle CAG. So in order to calculate angle CAG, first thing what I will need is this CA. So here I know all sides are equal. So this will be 5. This will be 5. We can implement Pythagoras theorem over here because we know that all the angles of cube are 90 degrees. So it's a right angle triangle. We can apply Pythagoras theorem over here. So AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So 5 square plus 5 square is equal to AC square. So what will be AC? AC is equal to, this is 25 plus 25 is 50. So AC is equal to root 50, right? We have got root 50, which is equal to 7.07. On the calculator, you will straight away get that. Now, I want to find CAG. I will draw one small triangle over here, which is this CAG. We know all the angles are 90 degrees. So this part will be also 90 degree. Correct? This I know. I have already got CA as root 50, or you can say 7.07. We have already got that. All these sides are equal. So this is also 5 centimeter. And I have to find angle CAG. So that is my theta. So opposite to theta, this is opposite side and this is adjacent. And opposite over adjacent is whose formula? It is tan theta's formula. So then tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. When we will do this, we will get, and we want to find theta, so we will take tan inverse. So on your calculator, when you will solve it, you will get answer as 35.26 centimeters square, right? Let's go to the next part over here, which is this. You have to calculate EG. Okay, we have to calculate EG over here. So basically, what I have to calculate, let me see whatever data I have, I will be taking help of that data first. Okay, so here I have got 35 degree. We know this is a cuboid. So we know that if this length AG is 16 centimeters, so let us make this small diagram first. We have to find this AG, right? If I want to find AG, I can first find, I want to find EG. So if I want to find EG, can I first find AC? Sorry, AC. So see, AC over here, if I see, AC is equal to EG, right? If I want to find AC, let me just draw one small triangle for that, which is this. So I will be drawing that triangle like this, ACG. So now I know I have to find AC. AG they have given in the question, it is 16 centimeters. This angle is given, which is 35 degree. And this we know is a 90 degree angle, correct? So now I know that I have got this all things. So what is, I can apply opposite. This is my opposite thing. This is adjacent and this is hypotenuse. So I have got opposite. I want to find opposite. So, but I have got opposite over hypotenuse formula. I can apply, I can apply adjacent over hypotenuse formula, which is cos formula. So cos 35 degree is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So can I say cos 35 into 16, which will give me this opposite side. So that is EG, that is CG, which is 13.10. When you will apply this formula, you got CG, which CA, sorry, CA, which is 13.10, right? So I got this adjacent, which is 13.10. So now that is equivalent to EG, which is 13.10 centimeters. Correct? Let us go to the next type, which is question 3. Here we know clearly that this is, they have given EC is equal to 5 meter. We have to find CAE. Okay, they have said calculate angle CAE. So let us see what is CAE over here. So I will draw one, I will draw the line. This is CAE. So it is like this. So that means if I, if I draw like this line like this, correct? So this is my CAE. So this shape clearly indicates that this is a right angle. We know this whole, we know that EC is 5 meters. I want to find this CAE. So this is my theta. So in order to do this, what I will be doing, first, I will be needing one base. That is, I will need my CA over here. So let us see, let us draw one small part like this. So CAE, this is 5 meters. I have to find theta and I want to find this CA. So opposite is this. Opposite is this. This is adjacent. So the formula of this is opposite over adjacent. Opposite to theta is this. Opposite over adjacent is whose formula? It is tan's formula. So tan theta. So tan theta, we have got opposite side, we have got adjacent side. We will apply the formula of tan theta. But for that, in order to find that, I need base. Because I don't have anything over here. So I will need this base. So in order to find this base, how will I apply? I will apply the formula of Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem is what? I will need this AC, right? So in order to find this AC, look here. This is my side AC. Correct? So in order to find this AC, what I will do, I will be opposite sides are equal. So this is also 15 meters. So we will apply Pythagoras theorem over here. So which is 15 square plus 12 square is equal to 369. And root of 369, what we will get that as 19.209. So that means this AC is 19.209. So that is opposite over adjacent. That is, we got 5 meters and we have got 19.209. So see here, this all things are very important. And then, you have to connect your 3D Pythagoras theorem into consideration and then do. So 15 divided by 19.209. I want only theta, so I will take tan inverse. So tan inverse, so my answer will be 37.98 degrees. No, somewhere we are wrong over here. 12 square plus 15 square is 369. Root of 369 is 19.20. We got 19.20. Yeah. So 5 divided by 19.20 into, 10 inverse. So yeah, it is 14.6 degrees. Sorry, I have done some calculation error. So this theta, what I got is 14.60 degree, and what that is what they have asked. Theta is equal to 14.60 degree. Right? Let's go to the next sum, which is question 4. Very, very important question and a very tricky question. Work out length AC. Okay. So first I have to work out length AC. So first I will draw one line, straight line like this, which is my AC. So in order to draw AC, See, they have clearly given over here that this is a square-based pyramid. Square-based pyramid means this part is my square. It is not drawn as per the scale. So you can see that this is rectangle, but here they have shown that below is a square-based pyramid. So that means this whole thing is a square. So square, all sides are equal. So this is also 20 centimeters. Now we have to work out length AC. So then we will apply Pythagoras theorem over here. So 20 square plus 20 square is 400 plus 400. So that is root 800. So this will give me root. I just applied Pythagoras theorem, 20 square plus 20 square. When you will do this on calculator, you will get this as 28.3 centimeters. Okay, so my AC is 28.3 centimeters. Then they have said, calculate angle CAE. Okay, so you have to calculate angle CAE. So what we will draw? We will draw one median over here. So this is my midpoint. So then only we will able to solve this sum properly. So what we will do, because in order to solve this sum, we will need height. Okay. So this is E, M, A, and this is C. So once I will get, so now see, my whole of this whole base, I got 28.3. As this is a median, what I have drawn, I'll take half of that. So 28.3 divide by 2, we got 14.15. So this is 14.15. I have got that, right? I want to find CAE. So this is my theta, correct? All these sides here, this is square-based pyramid. So that means all my this sides are equal. So if this is 26 centimeter, all my sides will be 26 centimeter. So this AE will be also 26. Okay. Now opposite to theta, this is opposite, because I have to find CAE. I have taken my A as theta. This is adjacent and this is hypotenuse. So I have got adjacent and I have got hypotenuse. So what is adjacent and hypotenuse? Adjacent and hypotenuse is whose formula? It is cos formula, right? So cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So that means we have got that as, sorry, this is 0.15. So 14.15 divided by 26. And then I want theta, so cos inverse. So shift cos inverse. So when we will be calculating that on a calculator, what is our theta? It is 47.05. So I have got my theta as 47.05. Now what they have said, volume of pyramid. We have to find volume of pyramid. So volume of any pyramid. No, we have to find the height of the pyramid. So we have to find this height of the pyramid. So I have got, this is my triangle, right? I have drawn, already I have done this, right? So here I have got this theta, which is 47. I will be removing all these things. So this will make your things easier. Okay. I've got theta, which is already 57.05. We have found this. Correct. So now I have to find height. So what I will be doing here, I can apply a sine formula over here, because opposite to this, this is opposite, right? And this is adjacent. I have got sine, which is 57.05, because opposite over adjacent is sine formula. So sine 57.05 is equal to opposite, which is EM, over adjacent, which is 14.15. When I will be calculating all of this on my calculator, I will be getting your, but here, now, listen to me very, very, very carefully, kiddos. Here, sorry. I can apply hypotenuse formula over here, right? So what is that? Sorry, kiddos. Your sine formula is what? Opposite over hypotenuse, right? So it is opposite over hypotenuse. And when we will do that, sine into 26, this thing into 26, we will get our height, which is 21.817. So that on the basis of that, I have got the height also, which is 21.817. So that is what our next requirement. Now our last requirement is volume of pyramid. We know that volume of any shape is base times height. Base times height. Base is what over here? It is square. What is volume of, what is base? Base, as it is square, it is side times side into height, right? But volume of any pyramid, volume of any shape is this, but volume of any pyramid is 1/3 into base into height. So base is what? It is square. So area of square is side times side into height. So 1/3. We know side over here is 20. We know side over here is 20, and we got height in part C, which is 21.86, which we have already calculated. So then when we will calculate this on calculator, we will get 2908.98 centimeters cube. Right, kiddos? Last part, that is rectangular base pyramid over here. This is, before this, we did square base pyramid. Over here, we will do rectangular base pyramid. So here they have said calculate the height. So this, here we will draw one thing like this. Another thing. See, first thing, we need to draw one line here. The way we did previous sum. Okay. First, what we will do, find AC. Okay. So it is similar to the previous sum. So here AC will be what? We will apply Pythagoras theorem, 5 square plus 8 square. On the basis of that, we will get AC. So AC is equal to what? When we will apply the Pythagoras theorem, 5 square plus 8 square, root of 89 is AC, which is 9.543. So this whole thing we got is 9.43. This is whole thing. Okay, now when I draw a median, this is my median. Okay, so what will be my half part over here? My half part, my AM is what? AC is this. So what is my AM? It will be half of 9.43. It will be 4.72. So I will be drawing another triangle over here. So this is CM and this is E. So I got that this half of 9.43 is 4.72, and then I want to find the height. Okay, so what I will apply over here, median is perpendicular to the triangle, so this is 90 degree. So I can just apply half into base into height. Okay, so here I know that this is 10 centimeter. So all, as this is 10 centimeter, all my other sides will be also 10 centimeter. So that means this is also 10 centimeter. So what we will do over here, I want to find EM. So what I will do over here, just be very attentive, kiddos, over here. So EM will be, you will be applying again Pythagoras theorem over here. So EC square, we can straight away apply Pythagoras theorem over here. So 10 square minus 4.72 square is 77, and root of that is what? It is 8.82. So I've got my height as 8.82. Are we all clear till here? Now next part of the question is what? They have said calculate the angle between face ABE. They have said calculate the angle between face ABE, that is this, between face ABE and base ABCD, that is this. So between face ABE and angle ABCD, what is the common angle over there? So common angle over there is, you need to make one again line, because here between they have said. So between is this, right? So this is the common angle between these two shapes. So it is coming in between, right? So we have got another triangle over here, which is EMY, which is again a right angle triangle. We can very well see that it is a right angle triangle, correct? EMY. So here we have already got EM, that is our previous part, which was height, which we have already got as 8.82. So EM is 8.82. What is my MY? I want to, let us see how we will do this sum. What will be my MY? See, look here, kiddos. This whole thing is 8. So I can say that this whole thing will be also 8. So this will be half of this 8. So this MY will be 4, right? Now we have to find angle, this angle. So this is theta. So this is my opposite and this is my adjacent, right? So I can straight away apply tan formula over here. Tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. I want to find this theta, so take this tan inverse. So opposite over adjacent is what? 8.82. Adjacent is 4 and then tan inverse. So what is theta? Theta is 65.61. So that is what they have asked. So it is just about sketching your shape properly and then doing this topic. Yeah, just be very attentive while doing this thing and it is sorted. Yeah.